Hey guys, welcome back to Pinch of Pink Salt. Today we are going to be making this protein dense, perfectly spiced, easy and delicious dinner recipe, and that is my curry chickpeas. Let's get into it. So to get started, we are going to be working on our potatoes, and these are, I believe, yellow golden or golden yellow potatoes. I'll put it in the description below, and we're just going to chop this into about 1-inch cubes. We want them to be even so that they cook evenly in our curry mixture. Now we're going to work on our onion. We are going to roughly chop this. It does not need to be perfect because we're actually going to be popping this in our blender along with our garlic and some other seasonings. Okay, so roughly chop that, remove the skins from your garlic, and that is all you need to do. Now we're going to throw them into our blender. We're also going to throw in some jalapeno. I have half a jalapeno de-seeded, that is optional, along with some dried thyme and water, and we are going to puree this. And when that is at the consistency we are looking for, we are going to then transfer it to a bowl. It's going to look like this, and it is going to be so fragrant. We're now going to add in our spices, some curry, garam masala, and some cumin. And we're going to mix this together until we get this nice bright slurry. And when you're done mixing it, it is going to look like this, and it is going to smell so amazing, guys. The next thing we're going to do is actually fry this slurry, and the reason we're doing this is to wake up that curry flavor, wake up those spices so that they can penetrate the chickpeas and the potatoes. Then we're going to pour in our chickpeas. We're going to toss that around a little bit. We're going to pour in some tomato paste and our potatoes. We're going to toss that again before adding in some water. We're gonna give this one final stir before we put our lid on and let this cook on about medium to high heat. And while that's going, I am going to be making some rice in my rice cooker because I don't know what is better than rice with curry chickpea. Anyway, let's get back to the chickpeas. We do want to check it occasionally to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom. If you need to add a little more water, definitely add just a little more water, maybe a half a cup at a time. And when it's done, the potatoes are going to be really soft. They're going to break up with the touch of a fork. And at this point, if you would like, this is optional, you can mash some of this mixture just to give it a little creaminess, but that, again, like I said, is totally optional. But at this point, our curry chickpea is done and it is ready to serve. So my rice is ready. I'm going to add my curry chickpeas to the top. And guys, this is such an easy and delicious dinner recipe. It is rich with protein and full of flavor. I highly recommend you guys try this recipe. And if you do, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, definitely give me a like. Subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every single week. And until next time, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.